guys, it's Barbie Glitter. Long time no see. I missed you guys. Sorry for not posting. This is the explanation why. So I went to garage sale, well, mini garage sales, and I found a good deal on things. So I took them all and I recorded what I got, like a short review. I know you guys are probably like, it's 10 minutes. That's not short at all. I know, Vanessa, I get your point. But this took a lot of work and dedication for it to just delete itself. I got this house and 3 mini ones and a food truck. So on TikTok, I posted a video on which house should I remodel first, because I plan on remodeling all of them, except for the ginormous one, of course, because I would not put myself through that torture. Anyways, I put the level of difficulty. They all go in order. There's a lower level, then a medium level, and then the hardest level. Hopefully I don't get the hardest level one because I will lose faith in humanity. The results are... No! Please! No! That's too much work. No, please! No. The winner is... Barbie Vacation House. Yeah! I'm just gonna look at some photos for reference. Wow. Oh my god, there's a different color. I'm looking at some photos for reference to see what am I missing, like any furniture pieces. I'm missing a toilet seat apparently. Oh my god, I have to make a toilet seat. Important detail. I found out this hack. There's the side of the house and it helps hold the second floor. I don't know, it's not much, but like I feel really accomplished. And here are the stairs. They're kind of short for some reason. Here's the back part. Here's the top floor. I'm gonna remodel it. I'm just gonna remove these tabs so I can change up the background and also paint the background. I'm just gonna keep it in this shape because I just know I'll get confused later on. So here's the inside, here's the outside. I'm kind of choosing what kind of pattern to use for the outside. I like the white wood because we want to make this look like a beach house still. I kind of like this one. Good thing about these houses is that most of their structure is cardboard and you can switch out the patterns, mix and match some scrapbooking paper, but also make sure they all have to be cohesive. For the plastic part of the house, I will be using white paint.
Why isn't this coming out?
Bed tutorial. I'm gonna do this bed because it's aesthetically pleasing. I'm gonna use 3 pallets, popsicle sticks, wooden cubes, and wood glue. This bed is gonna be so sturdy, you can run it over, bang it on someone's head, or drop it on someone, and it won't break. So I'm gonna insert 2 popsicle sticks on the edges of the pallets, insert 1 pallet on top of the other, depending how tall your doll is, but I use 3 for a 12-inch. And then I'm gonna glue some wooden cubes for height. And I'm just gonna cut some foam board the same size of the bed frame. You can stack some for height. I'm just gonna use 1 layer. And I'm gonna use some white fabric and a dusty, crusty ratchet hot glue gun. If you don't have one, you can't do this. So we're just gonna get the edges and fold them over. Now I'm gonna make some bedding. I did a tutorial in my last video. If you want, you can go check that out. It's pretty simple. So gonna make some pillows using some old pillows that I don't use anymore. Basically, we're making a pillowcase. We're just gonna cut 2 squares that are big enough for the pillow to fit. Get one of the squares, fold it in half, and cut it in half. Get both of these edges and sew them down. You can pin them down if you want. We're gonna place them on top. Make sure the bad side is facing the outside and make sure they are overlapping, and just sew a square completely. And we have the opening here so we don't have to worry about openings, and we just flip it over. Look how smooth that is. I am doing this with every pillow I own. So I'm just here painting. Oh look, a puppy. So I'm gonna be painting the floors this color. It's the color khaki. I use tape for the corners so it doesn't go on the other stuff. My paint did chip in these areas, but we're gonna cover that either way, as you can see. And here's me putting everything together. Apart from the bedroom, we're going to work with the living room. So we're just going to take everything apart. The good thing is that everything is white and I don't have much painting to do. So I basically cut this white cardstock and this scrapbooking paper. It's kind of gray. I kind of like it. And I added some texture by stacking more cardstock and leave some spacing in between. I'm gonna make furniture. So I've always wanted to make a Barbie couch, a gray couch specifically. I have made a life-size couch before, don't ask why, but I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna use these 2 boxes, and these are gonna be the main piece. Some 2 armrests. I'm gonna cut 2 for each side. A main piece where we're gonna lay both of these boxes on top of, and 2 more that are the same size as these 2 squares. 1 big piece for the back. Any other materials that we'll need will be fabric, scissors, a ugly towel. So you could put some good use to this. But yeah, recycling is beautiful. And also you need a glue gun. So we're just gonna glue all the pieces together. I believe there was only 2 of the armrests and 2 of the seats. That's basically it. Just glue them all together, and we're gonna cover them with the towel fabric. Does it count as fabric? It should, right? And then we're gonna cover it also with the main fabric, so we have cushion. I don't know why, but this stinks.
It smells horrendous.
It's the fabric being burnt, and it smells like dirty socks, even though the towel is clean, but I guess this is how life works. Make sure to cover everything with the towel, the arm pieces, the bottom pieces, the main piece. But before anything, we're just gonna draw a template using the arm pieces and the back piece of the couch. Cut 2 of those pieces, make sure to leave seam allowance and put those to the side. We're gonna worry about them later. But for now, we're just gonna cover all the edges with the gray fabric, your main fabric. Let's do this with only the main pieces, the ones you sketched out a template out, so these. Now cover completely the base of your couch and just glue the boxes together and on top. And this is how it's looking so far. You guys are probably like, why haven't you covered the boxes? Are you gonna leave them like that? No, I'm not, Vanessa. Why are you thinking that? So I'm gonna cut a strip. Make sure it's long enough to go around the whole box and hem the bottom and top of those edges. Explain in a bit why we need that. But we're also gonna work on this main piece. I'm gonna hem all the edges all around. It's a little hard because there's an angle right there, but you can cut that through so it's easier to fold. This is how it looks with pins on it. We're just gonna take that rectangular piece and glue it on the edges like so. And we're gonna start assembling our couch. So I'm gonna get the arm pieces, place it on the side like if it was folded, and glue this main piece in the back so we know how it's gonna look when it's folded. Look how clean that looks, right? And we're gonna do the same with the inside. A tip would be not to apply too much hot glue on the edges because then you will see it through the fabric. And we're just gonna add the base to those boxes like so. And look, you can't even see the branding or anything of the box. And we're just gonna cover the top with the seats. And now add the armrest and the back to the, and it fits perfectly, pretty snug, don't you think? So this is the finished product. If you guys make this, please send me photos. I would love to see how yours turned out. But yeah, she is pretty heavy for some reason. I named her Betsy because I knew a cow as hefty as her. So I don't know if I should add some pillows. I don't know if that's gonna take space away from the doll. Added pillows. What do you guys think? So now I'm just putting everything together. I'm gonna add a throw blanket, which I just cut a piece of fabric of. I made some pillows for a pop of color. I added a plant that you've probably seen in all of my videos. I know, I like this plant. Here I made some art. Yeah, it's not made by me. I got some inspo from Pinterest. So if some artist is gonna say, hey, that's my art, I made it miniature, man. I'm not claiming it's mine. I'm not selling it for more if you're selling it, you know. But yeah, I really liked your art and I just made it miniature. So credits to you if you're watching this video. I'm basically just rolling some tape and sticking it to the wall. That way I can change it up if I want. For the front part of the house, I'm gonna use the same beach house theme that is illustrated here. I'm gonna use the same template of the window, and I love the idea of this little Barbie sign. I don't exactly know what that means because I haven't been to the beach a lot. I guess it means Barbie's over there, you know? So I'm gonna cut out a template of the window. I used the inside of the living room because it has a better view of the window. So I'm gonna cut many of them out of cardstock or any cardboard. I'm using this picture for the window. I know it kind of looks blank, but whatever. It's the inside of the house. That's what we're looking at. I'm just going to cover the rest with the white wood. So if you remember how it first looked, there were some plants in the front area of the house. So I'm just gonna replicate that and use some compartments that look like it's part of the house, and these are the measurements if you want to make them. For the width of these compartments, they are 2 inches wide. How tall they are 3.5 inches. Also, I added some tabs to bring out some dimension, but it's 1/2 inch if you want, or you can just add more to that. I cut 2 of those templates out of scrapbooking paper, and I'm also going to cut 2 squares out of foam board that are the exact measurement without the tabs. And we're just going to get some fake plants, place them in between, and sandwich them like if it was a ham. So we're just going to cover the entire square with the scrapbooking paper, and I'm going to place it on top like so. The last thing I'm going to focus on is the door. I don't know what color I should paint it. I think I'm just gonna use the same color, khaki. So here's me cleaning it and painting it. And this is how the house looks so far. I remember someone commented in my other house video saying that, why'd you cover taffy? Like the drawing of taffy? And I'm like, girl, this is a drawing. I could just add the actual taffy. Like, this is exactly what I'm doing now. I'm adding the actual surfboard and a bicycle because isn't the real thing better? Ever since I got that comment, I've been rethinking all my decisions now. So thank you. Anyways, here's the finished look. Hey guys, it's me again. So I'm gonna do a quick review before the video ends. The thing is, I bought so many dolls. Catch my breath for a second. I haven't been able to open them because I wanted to review them on camera. Anyways, in each video I'm either gonna review 2 dolls or 1 doll and something special. If I don't find something special, I don't know what I'll do. Let's get started. I think I recorded an ASMR. Is that satisfying for y'all? I don't know what that was. I just know I will never be doing that again. But anyways, I got the purple top made to move. I purchased so many, so this isn't the first video you're gonna see with her. I will be doing a lot of body swaps, and this is her transplant. It's her now. Thank you so much, Rowan, for your magic hand. She really is a magician. So for this video, I'm gonna do 1 doll and something special. So it can be something random like a playset or an accessory pack. And for this video, I got some mini brands. Seen some videos where people have been finding limited edition or rare mini brands. I'm like, where do you even find these? Obviously, I wouldn't know because I've only opened 2 in my life. But here is some cheese dipper. 1, 2, 3. Are you serious? I already have this cheese. This is the second mini brands, and I have the same cheese. So annoying. It's Baby Bell, and here's my grocery list. And I have this other cheese, feta cheese. Same thing. Oh my god. Well, I'm not too mad because I found this on a discount and my friend got it for me. What is this? Satarains, red beans and rice. That sounds good. Is this a little basket? Oh my god. I've always wanted a basket. Please tell me it's Barbie size. I would love to see if it's it's not Barbie size. Do groceries even fit here? Let me test that out. Oh, they do. Okay, so here's the grocery list. Here is the gold glow in the dark. What? There's only 3? I thought there was a shopping basket. Like, not a grocery cart or anything with wheels. I want a shopping basket. Like Shopkins, you know? But anyways, thank you so much for watching.